Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to be taking a look at this, an electric dirt bike for kids ages 6 to 13, the DK12 by Rixoc. Let's get into it. We're going to be going over everything in detail about this little motorcycle, but first I want to start off by telling you about the unboxing and everything that it comes with. First off, when you get the box, it comes about 90% assembled. There is some assembly required, but it's fairly easy. It comes with a great instruction manual that walks you through each step with all the tools you need to assemble the motorcycle. So one of the first things you have to do is actually assemble the handlebars and the front light up here. It has perfect instructions on how to do it. You actually just assemble the handlebars as you think you would with some metal clamps up on top. You install the front fender here as well as the front wheel. All of the stickers and everything are already pre-assembled for you. And after you get the wheel on and the actual handlebars on, you're really good to go. There's no other assembly. You don't have to plug anything in. The bike did have a little bit of charge when we got it out of the box, and it was just a ton of fun for my son to help me with the assembly. He really enjoyed it. Of course, right out of the box, Rixoc also includes a nice charger for you to charge up the motorcycle, but that's not all. They went above and beyond and actually includes several different pieces of safety gear. You get a nice little helmet that helps get your first-time riders out there and going in a nice, safe manner. And you also get a great little set of additional protection, some knee pads, some arm pads, and I think even some wrist guards in here to help if you actually have like an accident on the motorcycle. Really cool for them to include all of this stuff within the package for you so you're up and able to go right away. Last thing they also include is an actual bike pump, a little bike pump for the actual tires if you need to fill them up with air. So they've really thought of everything in a complete package here to get you up and going for your little kids and get riding right away. So as we start talking about some of the details of this little motorcycle, I want to preface by saying this bike is really made for those 6 to 13-year-olds. It does have a weight capacity of about 140 pounds. So keep that in mind when you're buying this bike. My 6-year-old absolutely loves it. He was tearing it up right away as soon as we got it, having a blast on it. So he's 6, he's very comfortable on a bike. This is a perfect size for him. Getting up into that teenager range, this is probably going to be just a little bit small for them, but anywhere from that like 6 to 11, 12 range, they're really going to have a good time on this motorcycle. Next, I want to talk about the battery capacity and how long the actual battery in here will last. In here is a 5.2 amp hour, 36 volt battery, gives you plenty of power for those hill climbs. Again, my son is 6 years old, about 50 pounds. He tears it up on this thing, having a great time. The capacity of the battery says around 10 to 12 miles of range. Obviously, it's going to be dependent on the speed mode you're on. The weight of the person riding it is also going to be a factor there. We've ridden this all around the neighborhood for over an hour, had no problems with it slowing down. Tons and tons of capacity for those long extended rides, which is what your kid wants. They're not going to want to stop and charge all the time. Super convenient little bike, lots of power and lots of capacity in the battery. So let's start talking about some of the details of this motorcycle. Starting at the rear here, I'll move all the way to the front. Starting at the back, you get these 12-inch, 2.5-inch wide, nice rubber pneumatic tires, perfect for off-roading and all kinds of fun you can have here. Right back here is the actual drum brake. As you're pulling it, you can kind of hear that drum brake kind of actuate and kick in right there. Keeps your kids nice and safe. Comes with a kickstand already installed. And right here, you can see a full suspension. Really nice suspension feature. Provides a lot of cushion for those kids when they're having fun, either on the sidewalks or riding in the off-road if you want to do that. Moving up a little bit, right here is your actual speed switch. So you get 3 different levels of speed, speed 1, 2, and 3. Speed 1 is about 5 miles an hour. Speed 2 goes up to about 7, 8 miles an hour. And speed 3, where my son loves to keep it, it's right around that 15, 16 miles per hour speed. So depending on the skill of your rider, you get a lot of different options there. Foot pedals down here that will fold up out of the way if you want them out of the way on both sides. You get a really nice, luxurious seat. Nice kind of foam rubber seat on top. Makes it nice and comfortable. It's not just a hard piece of plastic, which is really cool. Moving up to the actual handlebars, you get some features up here. More than just kind of you'd see on your traditional kind of like Razor motorcycle or something like that. Nice on-off power switch. Go ahead and hold that. It turns on your power. A fuel gauge type display where you can see how much battery you have left. Mine's fully charged. Over on this side, you do get a little light on the front with a bunch of different modes. So there's a nice kind of bright white mode. Keep clicking it, you get the yellow, and I think in here then you get some flashing modes. So really cool kind of features for the little kids if they want to play around with the lights. And you also get a horn. So a nice loud horn to alert people you're coming, better than those bells you've seen on other side of bikes. So really cool that they included all that. To turn it off, you just go hold the power button for another second and it turns off. Also on the side here, when you turn it on, you get some nice LEDs that brighten, kids love all the little LEDs, nice and bright and shiny. Really cool, lots of features all the way around. The stickers, again, all come pre-installed, which is really nice. I hate putting stickers on stuff. And you get one more of those 12-inch tires right up front. So really cool. Lots of awesome features packed into this little package. It's a ton of fun. Overall, if you're looking for a fun way to connect with your kids, this is it. Having an e-bike for them, a little electric motorcycle to ride around with you, it's a really fun bonding opportunity. My son's a little adrenaline junkie. He loves riding around on scooters and motorcycles and his bicycle. Anything that goes fast, he's all about it. So if your son's like mine, consider picking up something like this. The features at this price point are unmatched. You could go out and get one of the Razor 350 motorcycles at Walmart for about the same price with half the features, half the range, and about half the speed. This is a really good value for everything you're getting. The actual lights, the horn, the 3 different speed modes, the tires, the brakes, the capacity in the battery, and just the battery itself at a 36-volt battery gives you all that you'd want. You don't need to go out and customize it right away. This will last your kids a long time. Again, my 6-year-olds and I have been having a blast with it. It's something that I would highly recommend thinking about. If you have a little kid who enjoys riding fast or doing fun things with their dad or mom, I highly recommend checking out this brand, Rixoc. They have all kinds of motorcycles, starting with these little ones for the little kids, but growing up in size all the way to teenagers and even adult-style e-motorcycles and e-bikes. So check them out. I'll have a link to this down in the description for you guys to check out down there. If you want to go check out their website, tell them Gamble 1080 sent you. It helps me out a lot. And again, just thank you guys for coming back to the channel. I appreciate all of you. Feel free to like and subscribe. We'll catch you in the next video.